If you're using Smiley Touch, Digital, or Link, you can use follow-up options. After the person has answered to the main survey question, follow-up options are shown right after it. Follow-ups can be used to get deeper insights into the reasons behind giving either positive or negative feedback. There can be 2 to 6 follow-up options for your main survey question. Something else option is included by default, but it can be replaced with another option more suitable for your needs if necessary. Follow-up options can be enabled for both positive and negative feedback, or only for negative feedback. The follow-up options can also be different for positive and negative feedback. You can either use your own question as the follow-up question or default questions what was good after a positive response and what could be improved after a negative one. Your own question has a limit of 85 characters. Here's some examples. Why or why not? Which department did you visit? What meal did you have today? What is your department or role? We recommend using the preset follow-up options that have been created based on our customers' needs. They offer a wide selection of industry-specific choices, and you can pick the ones that suit you best. You can of course add custom options as well that have a limit of 30 characters. You can see how follow-up options are enabled in Happy or Not Analytics in the Create and Manage Surveys tutorial video.